How to trade on OKX Exchange app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to trade on OKX Exchange app. So in order to trade on OKX Exchange app, you have to first of all start by creating your account. So what you have to do is install the application from your Play Store, and next you have to go down launch the application. This field where you have to go and press this sign up or login button. But then there are different options on how you can sign up. So first of all, you could sign up using your Google account or Telegram, or you could just manually enter in your email address. So just follow the instructions on creating your account and verify your identity as well. Now after you're done verifying your identity, what next you have to do is you just have to go ahead and start with you could go ahead and start funding your account. So once you're logged in, you'll be taken to this sort of interface. So you can see right at the bottom there are multiple types of icons. So you could start with the trade. So press the trade button. As you've done that, you could just go ahead and explore all of these, and you could go to the asset and make sure to deposit the funds. When you've actually deposited the funds, then you could start trading. And likewise, you could also go ahead and buy crypto assets. Before you trade on any of these crypto apps, you need to seek guidance from an expert. You could always contact a customer support team and let them know that you're actually a beginner and you want to learn about the trading field. So that is how you could trade on OKX Exchange app. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.